What's going on, YouTube? Happy New Year, happy 2020. It's a brand new year, brand new decade, and we're starting the year off with a brand new car, my 2020 STI. For those of you that are watching for the first time, I just went ahead and got this car less than a month ago. I think I've had it for about 3 weeks now. I could not be more excited to have this car. I've been daily driving it. Just had my first snow with the car a few days ago and it did just fine. The summer tires are complete trash, but the car still did really good. Anyways, that's not what we're talking about today. We're going to be talking about, we're not going to be talking about anything. We're going to be reacting to stuff. We're going to be reacting to my first ever pull in the STI. We're at 980 miles. Subaru suggests you break in the car for 1,000. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be hitting 1,000 miles. And I figured the most viewed video on this channel, the most disliked video on this channel, was my reaction to my first ever pull in my WRX. I was completely disappointed. The WRX is absolutely so trash on the stock tune from the factory. If you have owned a WRX, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The rev hang, the complete just freaking poop that it takes after 4,000 RPMs. I had a lot of people disagreeing with me. I don't care. That was my reaction. That was my opinion. And we're about to do another one of those videos with the STI tonight. I know it's going to be a little bit dark while I'm driving with the GoPro, but whatever, who cares? I'm excited. I'm trying to, freaking get on this car and see, how much power how the power feels. 310 horsepower to the crank and stuff like that. So anyways, I installed an axle back on the car. Have not done an exhaust video just yet, but we're going to be doing the first ever cold start with the STI on this channel of the year. Let's go. So it's pretty freaking loud, as you can tell. This is just an axle back, just a muffler delete. I went with the Remark muffler delete and it sounds really good. It's crazy going from a WRX to an STI and hearing this rumble. The car is so much more fun to drive with the STI rumble. I mean, there's nothing like it. I love it so much. But anyways, just gonna let the car warm up for a little bit. Gonna put the GoPro on. We're gonna do some POV driving and let's see what that first pull is like. Anyways, before we get to that, hit the like and subscribe button down below and let's get started with the video. All right, you guys, we are in the STI. The car is warmed up. We've got the GoPro on. First ever POV drive with the STI also. Before we do the first ever pull, we're at 977 miles, so I think that's good enough, to be honest. I don't think the car will die if I don't wait another 20 miles. But anyways, I raced an STI in my WRX when it was stage 2, and it was neck and neck tie. So I think a stock STI is equal to a stage 2 WRX, but we're about to do the first pull right now in the car. Gonna see what the reaction is. Gonna see if I'm more impressed with the STI than with the WRX. And yeah. I need to not have cars around me. I think I'm gonna do a U-turn up there at that light and then do a pull going back. This is the same exact road that I was in when I did my first pull in the WRX. So same road, same area. Let's see how the STI does. Honestly, this car feels a lot nicer than the WRX. There's no rev hang. The gearbox feels a lot better. The gears feel shorter. I'm pretty sure they are shorter. The rumble just makes it a lot more fun to drive. Yeah, I mean, you really can't beat that STI rumble. But anyways, and this is my first time that I'm gonna hear the axle back doing a full wide open throttle pull. So let's see. I'm gonna do second gear pull. That's what I did with the WRX. Oh my gosh. 70 already. Holy crap, that is a lot better. Yes! Let's go! That is so much better. This car pulls I only hit 14 PSI with that pull right there. With the WRX, you get a lot higher boost. When I would do pulls in the WRX, I would easily be hitting at least 18, 19 PSI. That was only 14. I'm gonna do another U-turn right here really quick, and we're gonna do another pull, because that was fun. That puts a smile on my face. That was a lot better. For all those people saying, oh, the STI, I don't know if it's worth the extra couple. Nah, it's freaking worth it. You get, everything's like standard in this car. Like literally, the car's so much more fun. Let's go. All right, so we hit 15.5 PSI on that pull. And I forgot about one thing. The car's still in intelligent mode. Let's put this freaking thing in sport sharp. Let's do it. We're gonna do a pull in sport, and we're gonna do a pull in sport sharp now. I completely even forgot about that. I forgot I can do that. And you can really feel a difference when you put it in sport sharp. We hit 15.8 on that one, and this car pulls, man. It feels aggressive, but in a good way. Like, it's a smooth aggressive. This feels nice. I love this. Gosh, it's a big difference. It's a really big difference going from the WRX to the STI. The WRX, I was like I got it off the lot, and I instantly knew I was gonna spend money on the car. This car, I don't have that same itch, that same feeling that I want to spend money on it. I'm like satisfied with this car off the lot, and that's a really good thing. You want to get a car that you're satisfied with as soon as you drive it off the lot, not something that you got to instantly make a project and freaking work on so that you're happy with it, you know. And I'm not trying to bash the WRX, because it was absolutely an awesome car. When it was stage 2, I mean, the car ran so good, so healthy. I had no issues, but this car is just a complete different beast. And I don't know, if you comment saying that, oh, it's honestly not that big a difference, nah, you're lying. And honestly, I feel like that's what I would do also when I had the WRX. I would try and justify why it's better than the STI, but it's just two completely different cars. Although they look the same on the outside, besides the freaking wing and like wheels and brakes, driving the car, the actual driver experience, the freaking pulls, the handling, the gearbox, everything is just a complete different story with this car. So, moral of the video, this actually impressed me this time. Like I said, most viewed video on this channel is my disappointment of my WRX when I did my first ever pull. The STI definitely satisfied me. I'm really happy with it. That was really fun. Anyways, that's all I wanted to do with you guys. I wanted to go ahead and film my reaction of my first ever pull in the STI, and I'm really happy with this car. 3 weeks in, I'm so happy with this car. I freaking love this thing. Gosh, that was awesome. Anyways, if you stuck around to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And yeah, I think the next video is gonna be an exhaust video of the axle back, because it sounds really good. With these cars, the catback can run you 800, 900, even more than that. This was literally like 280 bucks, and it sounds amazing. It's actually probably a little bit more loud than a catback unless you're getting a Tomei. So look out for that video next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I don't know if you can see my hand right now, but peace.